ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಚಾರಿಟೇಬಲ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ನ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಜರುಗಿತು. ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ವೈದ್ಯಕೀಯ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಬಂಧಿತ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನಗಳ ಕಾಲೇಜು ಹಾಗೂ ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಅದ್ಧೂರಿಯಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಲೇಷಿಯಾದ ಪೆರಡಾನ ವಿಶ್ವವಿದ್ಯಾನಿಲಯದ ಕುಲಪತಿ ಡಾ ಜಬೀದ್ ಎಎಂ ಹುಸೈನ್ ಅವರು ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಮಾಡಿದರು. ಇದೇ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ. ಫಾದರ್ ಮುಲ್ಲರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಪದವಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ. ನಾನು ಕವಿತಾ ಮಾಣಿ.
Wrinkle, Alida Matthew, Mr. Amit Thomas, Amita Paul, Ashwini M, Blessing Rachel, Christy Baby, Christy Bobby, Dia Matthew, Edina P, Elizabeth K, Emin K, Fatima Raiza, Fazna MH, Sister Grishma Joseph, Gwendolyn Laura D'Souza, Gio Baby, Sister Lucy Jose, Merle Joseph, Navina Thomas, Nikita Baby, Rufia, Sara PM, Shri Rajalakshmi, Silvestina, Stembling, T. Osilia, Ulfat Amina. As a speech and hearing professional, I do pledge that I will not indulge in any unlawful practices but consider the welfare of the people to whom the profession is of service and of paramount importance. Lower your hand down. Turn your tassel to the right. Congratulations. Be seated.
Mr. Jibin Sabir. Ms. Josmi Thomas. Ms. Manisha E.G. Sister Marina Joseph. Mr. Sangeet Kambi. Your right arm forward and repeat the oath of a physiotherapist after me. I be ever honest in the discharge of my duties and uphold the dignity and integrity of my profession and the honor and name of my university and my alma mater. I pledge to uphold and advance social order and the well-being of my fellow members, and shall devote all my energy to promote the unity, integrity and secular ideal of my country. I swear to sincerely endeavor to serve the afflicted, sick and ailing patients under my care, and all those who need my services, to the best of my ability, without any consideration of caste, creed or status. You may lower your arm, move the tassel to the right side of your cap. Congratulations, graduates. We are proud of you. God bless you.
Dignitaries on the dais and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to present to you the graduates of the BSc Medical Laboratory Technology. Mr. Adarsh Beni, Ms. Anju Joy, Ms. Anju M, Sister Anima, Ms. Aisha Farhana, Sister Bhavia, Ms. Blossom Krasta, Ms. Jeshma Karasta, Mr. K.B. Purushottama, Mr. Mohammad Rafiq, Mr. Nihar, Miss Marlene Pereira, Mr. Prashant, Miss Renita Ritu D'Souza, Miss Aisha, Miss Sarah Thomas, Sister Shida Ling, Ms. Shaini D'Souza, Ms. Sneha Mani, Ms. Sri Priya, now the graduates from the BSc Medical Imaging Technology, Ms. Alisha Fernandez, Mr. Amit Saloke, Ms. Atira, Mr. Alvin Sibi, Mr. Bibin Abraham, Sister Vinci Morbeni, Mr. Karen Maxim Fernandez, Mr. Delvin Joby, Mr. Joby Thomas, Mr. Joel Jacob, Ms. Fairatullah Fahima, Mr. Joel John, and Mr. Naeem A.K. I now request the graduates of the three programs to kindly raise their right arm forward and repeat the oath after me. Solemnly pledge myself before God to practice my profession with dedication and professional competence. I will consider the welfare of my patient and respect all life, human dignity and rights in the practice of my profession. I promise to abide by the laws governing my profession, follow safe work practices, and ensure patient safety at all times. Kindly lower your arms. Kindly turn the tassel from left to right. Congratulations to all the graduates. Kindly take a seat.